Welcome to Jaltest vlog. In this video, I'm going to introduce you new Jaltest V9 kit. Jaltest India is a multi-brand and multi-system diagnostic scanner for the commercial vehicles, earth-moving and construction equipments, and marine vessels. Jaltest India multi-brand diagnostic tool is manufactured by Kojali, a company with more than 30 years of experience in industrial vehicles. Using expensive OEM diagnostic tool is a thing of past. Now, with Jaltest, you can scan various brands of the vehicles using a single device. You can scan the brands like Tata, Ashok Leyland, Mahindra, Eicher, Volvo, Scania, Mercedes, Bharat-Benz, Force Motor, etc. This is Jaltest India suitcase. It is light and handy, and it's very easy to use and even easier to transport. Inside the suitcase, everything is divided into different sections where you can find connectors, Jaltest V9 link, and the additional hardwares. Each compartment is designed with the original shape of the items in order to keep everything well organized. As you can see, we have a huge variety of the connectors depending upon the individual requirements. Among all of them, we are going to find OBD connector and 9-pin connector, which is mostly used in Indian market. So this is the 16-pin OBD connector and this is 9-pin connector. Here you can see we have a multi-pins which is used in the emergency situations, and each of these cables and multi-pins have the reference number written on it. Just following the easy instruction with Jaltest software, we can connect with every electronic control unit. This is Jaltest V9 link. It's a vehicle communication interface. It supports every protocol. It's faster, lighter, and compact. As it fulfills the protection level of IP40, it can easily absorb all kind of impact on it. Jaltest V9 have CPU of ARM 32 bits Cortex M4, whereas in case of Jaltest V8, it was M3. And internal memory of Jaltest V9 is almost 3 times more than V8. You can connect Jaltest V9 link with laptops or tablets using USB cable or by Bluetooth wireless connection. This is Jaltest Rugged PC. It has been designed for most difficult and demanding condition at the job site. And this is Jaltest Rugged Tablet, also designed for the tough environment.